is to go over the normal distribution on GeoGebra. Just like many other things, this is available on our graphing calculator, but this function is much easier to work with, especially if you have a computer or cell phone handy. So just like everything else, we hope to embed this on the website if possible, but you can go to GeoGebra/classic, pound symbol, and then the word probability afterwards. It brings you right to what we need, which is the normal distribution. You'll see as the year goes on, we have other options if you click in this area, but for now we'll just look at that. So we've practiced with this a little bit at this point. We know that mu represents the center of the distribution and sigma represents the standard deviation. So we can adjust this depending on our problem if we need to. Let's say we have a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of, say, 15. You can see the scale adjusts automatically for us, which is really nice. So we have a couple different options. Some of the problems that we look for the area to the left of a specific point. Some look in between, and some look to the right. So unlike our calculator, we can set that up ahead of time and save ourselves some concerns. So if you have a between situation, that's this one in the middle, an interval, you just put the two numbers you're working with. In this case, they automatically put 85 and 115 to represent about one standard deviation in both directions, but you are not limited to one standard deviation. You can put whatever number you want. So let's say it's 89 and 117. You can adjust it as needed. So that's a really useful setup, and it's a lot easier than your calculator. If you want the area to the left of a specific value, you don't have to worry about the negative 999 like we have on the calculator. It's just a less than or equal to symbol. So you just go right up to the value that you want. And then same thing on the right. If you want the area above, if you have a specific value and you want the probability of achieving something higher than that, you can also use this symbol. So a lot more user-friendly than our calculator, and it can get us through a lot of these problems much quicker for what we want to do.